How to add due dates and reminders in Trello. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're working on projects in Trello and want an easy way to remember deadlines, adding due dates and reminders is a great way to stay organized and make sure important tasks never get missed. So first of all, open the Trello application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the workspaces, go ahead and select your board you want to organize. After opening up the board, go ahead and tap on the middle of the screen to open up this page. Now scroll down and look for the due date option, tap on it, and then a calendar window will appear. Choose the date for your task, and once you are done, go to the bottom and tap on the time option. Set a specific time if needed. Now go to the Set Reminder toggle menu at the bottom, tap on it, and then go ahead and choose the reminder option from the pop-up. Pick the reminder timing that works best for you. Select whether you'd like to be reminded at time of the due date, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before, and so on. Just select one of the time, and then after you are done, click on Save at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to set the due dates and reminders for your projects. Make sure that the Trello notifications are enabled on your device or browser so that you can easily receive reminders. After the due date is completed, the due dates will turn green. Overdue tasks may appear in red. You can add dates to multiple cards for better project tracking. So that's how you easily add due dates and reminders in Trello to keep your projects organized and stress-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.